Greetings, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Millions of Social Security beneficiaries may receive a $200 monthly benefit increase very soon. Several lawmakers in Congress have just put forward new legislation that would increase benefits for millions of seniors this year. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video if you are an SSI or SSDI beneficiary. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. So friends, here is the great news. A new bill could boost Social Security recipients' monthly income by $200 and increase the overall longevity of the program. Democratic Representative Peter DeFazio and Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders introduced the Social Security Expansion Act days after the Social Security Administration announced that the program was in jeopardy. The agency estimated that Americans will stop receiving full Social Security benefits as early as the year 2035 if action is not taken. Under the Social Security Expansion Act, Social Security beneficiaries would receive an additional monthly check of $200, totaling an annual bonus of $2,400. According to CBS News, this would yield a 12% increase from the average monthly check of approximately $1,658. Anyone who is a current Social Security recipient or will be eligible in 2023, at least 63 years old, would receive the bonus check. Anyone who is a current Social Security recipient or will be eligible in 2023 and at least 62 years old would receive the bonus check. This bill would also boost benefits for the lowest income earners in the United States under the Special Minimum Benefit Program. Current recipients receive approximately $900 per month, and according to the Social Security Administration, the proposed legislation would adjust the rate to 125% of the federal poverty line, increasing the monthly checks to an estimated $1,400 per month. Another component of the legislation is to expand the agency's fund by increasing payroll taxes for some earners. Under the current law, earnings above $147,000 are not subject to Social Security tax. New policy would apply the payroll tax to people who earn more than $250,000 a year. Representative Peter DeFazio assured that only the top 7% of earners would see an increase in their taxes if the bill were approved, meaning 93% of taxpayers would not see a change in their taxes. The congressman noted that expanding the payroll tax would bolster the Social Security Administration's trust fund, securing it through the year 2096. The new bill would make it so a Social Security recipient might receive $200 more a month. The Social Security Administration has announced that Social Security benefits have gone up by 5.9%, which is the largest increase in the past 4 decades. Martha Shedden, president of the National Association of Registered Social Security Analysts, told CBS News recently, many seniors rely on Social Security for the majority, if not all, of their income. $200 a month can make a significant difference for many people. Friends, the key word for this video is Neptune. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Neptune, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. So friends, please let me know what you think about the Social Security Expansion Act. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Senate Democrats have finally reached an agreement to raise taxes on some high earners who they say are abusing a loophole to slash your tax bills. According to multiple sources, the lawmakers said that the plan to close a tax break for those earning more than $400,000 a year requires them to pay 3.8% in taxes on certain income from pass-through businesses. They project that closing the tax loophole would raise about $200 billion over a decade, which would be used to pay for Medicare through the year 2031 in an effort to keep the federal health program from going bankrupt. Without congressional intervention, the program's hospital insurance trust fund is poised to begin running out of money by 2028. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senate Democrat Joe Manchin have been privately negotiating a bill that would include prescription savings. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senate Democrat Joe Manchin have been privately negotiating a bill that would include prescription savings, which they've reached an agreement on, as well as energy and climate funding and tax increases on upper earners and also corporations. They have not struck a deal on the larger package, and it's unclear whether they will. But Senator Manchin's office offered a vote of confidence for the tax agreement to extend the life of Medicare. The tax proposal will be submitted in the coming days to a Senate official. It is to ensure it complies with the complicated rules of a special budget process, which would allow Democrats to pass it with a simple majority. Democratic leaders believe the latest proposals have the support of all 50 senators in the caucus. So this is great news, friends.
With the new United States Senate has made all the difference in the world. In my state, 2.4 million children are eligible. In 2.1 million of those, I'll get to that in a moment, we haven't reached everybody yet. 2.1 million children last week in the mail, in their mailbox, or in direct deposit in their parents' bank accounts. 2.1 million children were the beneficiaries of either $250 or $300 last week. So every month, July 15th, coming up August 15th, September 15th, October 15th, children from 0 to 5 will get, their parents will get $300 each of those months. If their children are 6 to 17, those families will get $250 per child.
Well, my amazing and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.